Hello, today I try to restore to my Nokia N95 frame because this is the damage. This case, this buttons is the bad condition and these buttons as well. I try to change and I show how to do this. I send brand new from eBay. I read review. The quality is quite good. New buttons, new piece of frames, and I will change this step by step. I show you before you stop the work. I show you what you need. You need this screwdriver complete. I have this Wurtz, very good quality. If you have different it's okay, but you need, there is the many screws that you need to open if you change. Okay, start to the work. You need only two sides, TX5 and TT6, and that's it. Okay, very slow and step by step. Start to the work. The first that you need to do, open the frame. Careful, there's no screws, just clips. There's the size 5. Open these 3 screws in one side and 3 is another side. Be careful, this part is different. That's why I put the one side and this part I put the another side. Okay, careful, open and take off the buttons. These buttons I say original because it's very good condition. This is the brand new but not original. Quality is good. Good quality aftermarket. And change the torques. T6. Take off this panel. And now, very careful. Open the phone. Very careful because, sorry, there is 2 screws. And top panels are open, yes. I will put brush. These 4 screws. Yes, and now you can open. Very careful, there's the flex cable. Very careful to open this. The phone is old and all parts is maybe not very strong. I always screws put another place because there's the different size, okay? Okay, change the torques. And there's the 4 smaller screws. And put together. Okay, and now we open the front panel. And this buttons I will change because this is very old and look very bad. Okay, the phone is disassembled and we can put the new parts and continue. Very good quality. This complete cost, I don't know, €7. Very close to the original. And step by step how you to disable it. Remove back all parts. Tensional but not very tight. Because this is not vehicle or tank. This is old phone. And put back to the connector. check is everything working. And this panel I put back to the original as well. There's no scratches, and there's an antenna, and there's the button. I won't take off this. These parts I stay to reserve. Remember, the 4 screws is the same, and for this part there is 2 black screws is the different. Check again, everything working. And put back to the bottom panel. Very careful, because if you put down the phone you can open this part and you can damage your flex cable. Check again, change the torques, and remember what I say, this side is the right side and this is the left. This part is different. Okay, the phone is together. Check again, very easy. Maybe flex cable not stay in position, and this is the reason why you need to check. And these parts I stay reserve as well, because original is quite good. Okay, the last panel, the frame, there is the new buttons, look very good. And try to set on the phone. Set to the battery. I think very nice. Okay, the work is finished, and now we need to test this phone. This is original N95 and still working very good. Everything works very good. everything is fine. Change the camera. Carl Zeiss. That's it. Phone is ready. The panel and frame we change. The buttons we change. And we have the nice product. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. If you have the question, ask me. Bye.